Me and Evie in the car. We're about to go home. She's waiting for mommy right now. And she's getting a little whiny again. Evie, where are we going, Evie? Evie, go back home. Did you Evie go back home? Yeah, so probably gonna go to Leroy, hang out, you know, maybe go fishing for a little bit. It's supposed to not rain anymore, so we'll see what's going on. My dog's always whining. And then she'll sit there and just stare at me. She crazy. This dog is crazy. Evie, where are we going? Where are we going, Evie? Evie going home? Evie. Alright, y'all.